Welcome to Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native, video number 135. Today we are together going to see a very useful exclamation, very simple too, and these are the exclamations you need to understand and use in daily conversations. The word that we are going to see is adadaa. Adadaa. It is very hard to translate that into a word in English, but it roughly translates to wow or oops or oh no of English. Adadaa can be used in two contexts. First, an exclamation to express admiration similar to wow of English. Second, used to show recognition of a mistake or minor accident, often as part of an apology such as oops or oh no. You're going to learn these two, and I promise you there'll be many occasions where you need them both every day. You will need them so often. And hello friends, for those of you new to this channel, you can please check the 130 plus videos that I've already made. They are very varied, useful lessons, and please subscribe to be notified of new videos. Also check the Instagram, where I'll be regularly posting some video conversations. Let us learn the usage of admiration first. Wow, how beautiful! Adadaa, enne azhagu! Adadaa, enne azhagu! Just look at the three pictures there. The first one is a stunning peacock, a nature's beauty. Imagine a peacock spreads its wing right before your eyes, and you would instantly say, Adadaa, enne azhagu! How beautiful! And the next one is, just imagine you're before that grandeur of Taj Mahal. Winter months, 7 o'clock in the evening, hardly any crowd, and the imposing, stunning Taj Mahal. Adadaa, enne azhagu! Or just you're admiring the costumes of the bride and the groom, or the bride and groom themselves, you would say, Adadaa, enne azhagu! Here you're describing the perfect match. Adadaa, enne azhagu! Wow, how great that girl sings. அடடா எப்படி பாடுது அந்த பொண்ணு. அடடா எப்படி பாடுது அந்த பொண்ணு. So I'm sure you understood it. You can go to the canteen or mess and say, அடடா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. If you like the food. Wow, it tastes great. அடடா ருசி பிரமாதம். Rusi is taste. Pramadam is excellent. Adada rusi pramado. So here, when you're talking about the girl, you'll say, Adada eppadi paadudhu andha ponnu. Wow, how great that girl sings. Now we are going to learn the apologetic or regretful tone. Oh no, you had to miss the bus because of me? Adada, ennala neenga bus vittitingla. Here it can be more close to oh no, you had to lose it because of me. That is, you're regretting. It's an exclamation to show your regret. Oh no, I'm so sorry. It is similar to that. Oh no, you had to miss the bus because of me. That is, it shows a little embarrassment, pain in you. It hurts you because you are the cause of something. Oh no. So it's adada ennala neenga bus vittitingla. Adada ennala neenga bus vittitingla. So that is oh no, because of me you had to miss the bus. So this is a different effect for adada. It is not like that adada pramadam. There it is a more excitement you show, like adada pramado. Whereas you cannot say you missed the bus because of me. Wow, no, that's wrong. You cannot say Adada, ennala bus vittingla. No, that you don't say that. Instead, you would say, Adada, ennala bus vittingla. So it's a kind of, you change the voice a little bit, tone a little bit. The first one is Adada, that is excitement. This one is, oh no, Adada. So you have to really do a little dramatic effect, voice acting. Let us now see oops. Something you can also say to yourself. Oops, I left my key there. Oops, I forgot to bring my diary. So it is adada, சாவியை வீட்டிலே வச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டேன். So it is oops, adada, சாவியை வீட்டிலே வச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டேன். Or oops, I left the key right in the house itself. Adada, சாவியை வீட்டிலே வச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டேன். So it is not the happy adada, though you say strongly, it's oh no or oops, adada, சாவியை வீட்டிலே வச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டேன். So it's just that little thing. You will find it out yourself as you speak the language, learn the language. It is, you get it automatically. This intonations, it's a very inbuilt thing, I think. So the wow could be adada, that is to show a kind of happiness or excitement, or adada, that is oops or oh no, a bit of a low spirited one. So this is something, I think it's not a big deal. Once you learn the language and get some comfort in the language, it becomes, kind of a second nature for you to do a slight alteration in tone to bring out the right one. So don't worry about that. That's all inbuilt in a voice. And another giveaway, just because that once you get very comfortable with the language, you can just play around with the same word, the same exclamation. You'll also hear people like saying adadadada, means it's similar to just wow. You keep wow, 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 wow. Or the Hindi vare va, you say vare va, va, va. Well, it just to add a little extra effect, just to say adadadada, enna dance, means wow, 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 what a dance. So you just can play around with the word. Once you get comfortable, the language is then all yours. You have the right to play with the words, change the tone, anything you want. That's it, friends. Please also subscribe to Instagram. You should also please subscribe here, so we'll have more subscribers asking more questions, giving more suggestions, so this channel grows. You'll learn more and more Tamil. All the best and learn fast. Speak soon. Enjoy and immerse in the language.